what's up, Caps Ninjas? Sensei Lance and Sensei Alejandro back here today with another one of our favorite tools. As we've discussed in another video, we've got the mannequin head. And this is, by the way, this is great equipment, okay? This is great and cheap. Now, don't get me wrong, if you're training really hard, you're gonna tear this thing up pretty quick. But it's a lot of fun. We just put it on I think a Dollar Tree plunger. And I just took the end off of it and stick it in the bottom, and you can just hold it here just like this. And this is fantastic for working your eye jabs and things like that. And of course, if you wanted to work like your hook punches, boom, to the chin, you could, or to the temple. But like I said, it's probably going to tear up pretty quick if you're putting any wear and tear on it. But what we're going to do today is we're going to work on a self-defense combo. I am going to work on my eye poke of doom, my eye jab, okay? I'm gonna have my fingers nice and loose, okay? They're kind of stiff, but kind of loose. And from here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop it out, I'm gonna aim for the eye. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use that as a distraction, okay? Because whether I hit the eye or not, people have a tendency to bring their hands up, they bring their attention up, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use that to set up my good hard roundhouse kick to the leg. So from here, what I'm going to do is I throw the eye jab. Notice that turns my body a little bit. My hands are up. And from here, I bring it around. Push! My whole body, shin bone, across the thigh, trying to break that stance down, making it hard to stand. All right? Because a great man, Patrick Swayze, once said, if a man can't walk, a man can't fight. Something like that. All right? So what we usually do is we get out here, and that's the great thing about this, is because from here, I can kind of move around a little bit. I'm going to use my eye poke. Push! 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 And if you ever had something flying at your face that could possibly get in your eye, you've probably noticed whether it hits or not, you have this reaction right here. It gets all your attention up here. Meanwhile, we're breaking that leg, or we're coming through, trying to break that stance down and hurt that leg. All right, y'all, so just another fun combination. I feel that this is a great realistic combination, especially if you're training in karate, Muay Thai, kickboxing, any kind of combat sport, and you want to take it to more of a self-defense or reality-based martial art area. This is a great little setup here. All right? Okay, y'all, have fun practicing that at home.